Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you an order I was able to do for a wedding, and I was able to make 120 4-ounce little mason jar wedding favors. They turned out super cute. The bride was really happy with them. So I wanted to show all of you how you can do this on your own, whether it's for your own business, a friend, or your own wedding, a family member's wedding. So I'm gonna go over the supplies and the process of how you can do these DIY wedding favors on your own. Now, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the new and fun, exciting videos that I post in the future. Let's jump into it. And put the wicks on the candles. So again, I use CD8 from Candle Science, and you can get the wick stickers from Amazon. All right, so there is a trick with pouring these. So all of these came out to a total of 120 ounces with the fragrance oil added. So it's going to be easier for me to pour these into the mason jars. I'm going to start with one and then move on to the second, move on to the third. So you want to pour all of these around the same time, so that way your wax doesn't dry like halfway through the mason jar and then you have to pour more wax on top of the dried wax. Okay, so we're gonna see what temperature we have here. Usually I like to pour between 130 and 135, so we are ready to pour. I'm gonna pour one after the other. Now you're gonna want a paper towel to wipe up any excess that might drip off of the pitcher when you're pouring. Now make sure you pour very slowly. What that will do is make sure that any air bubbles that might get caught while you're pouring will be released and they won't get stuck in the candle wax. So these are popsicle sticks that I use to center the wicks. They do have actual wick centers that you can buy, but I found popsicle sticks to be pretty easy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut these wicks. You're gonna want to cut with either a wick cutter or you can use scissors. And this wick cutter I got on Amazon. But you're gonna wanna do it to where there's 1/4 of an inch left on the wick. So as you can see on some of these, there's going to be kind of a film on top almost, just kind of like a swirly looking, and then some divots and holes. So we're going to be using my heat gun here.